Hey guys, so today we are headed to ST Motorsports in Springfield, Missouri to get new tires, wheels, and the Fox/Roush shock suspension put underneath the Ford F150. So stay tuned here. We'll see if we can get some good shots of the shocks being put under the rig, and then kind of how it looks with the 2-inch add-up shocks and 17-inch wheels and 33-inch ridge grappler tires.
So something I do want to point out here, guys, is everything that you see in this video you will be able to purchase online on Amazon from the link in the description below.
I guess those things are kind of seized in there and you just gotta break them loose. Yeah, they're not serious. You just gotta tap them a couple times. You just gotta get it right there, tie her off, that's about all you gotta do. Stop it up.
So pretty much everything up around these front wheel area and around the rotor is going to be kind of seized up, guys, because this thing gets hot and it gets a lot of corrosion and gunk and things like that. So pretty much everything, you can put a little elbow grease into it. If something's tight, chances are it'll kind of break loose. Just kind of keep after it.
And those are forks head, something like a T50? Yeah, just like right there. Okay. And I believe the new one's about the same way. Alright.
So something I want to point out to you guys, and we made this mistake, so I'll try to keep you from making it also. If you look here on the factory shocks, somebody had already added a puck spacer kit to it, one of those little 1.5-inch lifts, and we made the mistake of leaving that on there. You do not need to leave a leveling kit on the front end with these Roush Fox shocks. It levels it out with the kit. So a little forewarning for you. Once again, a little elbow grease gets the job done here. So on these rear shocks, it's quite simple. You just basically have 2 bolts, one on the top and one on the bottom. So much easier than the front shocks. So this is it, guys. Let me know what you think. This is the factory Fox Roush leveling kit / shock upgrade with 33-inch Nitto ridge grapplers on a fuel fake beadlock 17-inch wheel. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned next week as we will be putting a new performance exhaust on the F150. Thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button. And until next time, we'll see you out on the trails.